So I am back in my storage unit and I wanted to do something kind of cool today. I received a box of stuff from someone, and I asked for things online on the yard sale sites and stuff, saying I needed more inventory, was willing to pay, blah blah blah. So I got some responses. I got 2 responses, but only one person has actually let me pick up their stuff yet. So this is me picking up their stuff. I have not even looked in it. The only thing, there's like a pillowcase on top, I'm not really sure what's in here, and a box, and that's it. So I wanted to do an unboxing of like what I got. Let's see if it's anything interesting. I'm pretty excited actually, because even if it's not, I could bundle things. I mean, it was free. It was free. So let's get started. Also, did you guys notice how I'm not looking like a bum for once in my life? Anyway, all right, pillowcase is bedding. So that's all that's in here. Just some bedding. It's like a dog sheets, like with little doggies on them. Pretty cute. Could sell them on eBay. We'll see. I don't know. I don't really like selling things that aren't clothes, to be honest. Other than shoes. I like shoes. All right, here we go. Let's look inside the box. That's it so far. So right here on top is this Lion King. Like, it's got like beans in it. Little Lion King thing. I actually am not crazy on the Lion King, but I think I could sell this on eBay for a couple bucks. Maybe. I don't know. What is happening? What is this? Somebody tell me in the comments who this character is on the Lion King. That'd be great. It's got like a little, it's weird. Oh, okay. I've got a Lion King hat. Maybe I'll pair them together. Lion King hat and VIP. Pair them together. Put it on eBay like that. Use your own photos. Oh, these are so cool. Did you guys have these when you were a kid? I had these. So you so we got this little like real thing and you put it in. Okay. I think it goes. Oh, whatever. Okay, let's see. And then you look in it. I don't know if you guys would be able to even. Oh, you can see it. See? And then you would click it. That's so cool. Oh, it was somebody's vacation stuff. So this was somebody got this on vacation, and she gave me like the copy reel, like the one that doesn't actually have any photos on it. Pretty cool. Maybe I can sell that. Maybe I'll look up comps on it. Ooh, I think this is a Pandora bracelet. Ooh, how do these do nowadays? Like, I don't know. This one has Lulu on it, so maybe it's not Pandora, it's a Lulu. I'll look it up, but I think these beads are nice. These beads are pretty. Do you see those? That's cool. And then I got this little trinket, which, to be honest, is broken, so that's fine. Bra. Victoria's Secret? No. I don't really like bras. I don't sell them. So bras would probably just go, maybe a bundle them all together. There's like 5 of them, 4 of them. Okay. Let's see what's next. Some Old Navy sweatpants. These look comfortable. They're an extra large, but I think they're kids extra large. But I think that would mean they would fit me. I might keep these. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we got some Toms, and let me tell you, Toms do well for me. Size. The size is no longer visible. I don't know how else to tell. Maybe they're the same size as these Toms. these definitely are still no longer visible. That's okay. Toms do well. I can probably bundle them together and make a couple bucks off of them, considering they were free. Let's see. Next, what do we got? Just kind of feels like a Walmart brand. Yeah, Arizona. Yeah, nothing special. Probably we'll donate that. I think this is going to be about the same thing. Yeah, donate. Donate. Just another shirt. Maybe I'll bundle those together. They're like a size extra large kids. And got underwear. It's definitely clean. It's folded, but I should get some gloves. I'm gonna get gloves. So I'm just gonna get all the underwear out. Okay, here's something new with tags. Oh, this is cute. Ooh, Vince Camuto. New with tags. Originally $69. This is cute too. It's like a corduroy. Ooh. Zip front. Oh, I think I could make money on this. Okay, okay. I like this. And this has a visible stain on it, like I can see it. It's just a shirt. It looked like it was a pajama set. I think this is another pajama set. Yeah. So I can go in the trash. Oh, here's some slippers. Some cute little slippers. Look like the balls fell off on one of the slippers. So I probably just like, I'll probably donate these, to be honest. That's what's gonna happen. Oh, look at these. A little beaded, I should have worn gloves this whole time. Beaded set. I had to like hand sanitize. These kind of look handmade, but they're really pretty. So I could probably put these on Posh and I don't know, probably 10 bucks, like cheap. There's no brand on them, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure they're just homemade. 2016 Kids Almanac. Out of date. Going to donation. 2010 Guinness Book of World Records. Oh my god, I used to love these as a kid. Like, you could just like look through the pictures. Like at random women holding melons. Cool, but it's definitely going to donation. My nose. Ooh, Ripley's Believe It or Not. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. But once again, definitely donation. Let's see. Well, I have 2 kids, so like I'm okay with keeping some things, like maybe Money Magic. Oh, no, it's like a magic book. I mean, not that I'm like against magic, I just don't feel like this is something I want to keep, considering the fact I live in a camper. Here's something. Lives of the Presidents. So that might be one good one to keep. Maybe read a different president each night or something. I'll keep this one. Who's haunting the White House? You think it's real? I think it's like an actual story of someone haunting the White House. Yeah, I probably will get rid of that one too. Well, that's really it. So overall, I got a book that I'm gonna keep and a pair of sweatpants that I'm gonna keep and wash. I think my favorite thing overall was this Vince Camuto skirt, which is a size 12. Think about this. It's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Pull out lady glasses up. But it's like a corduroy kind of texture. I mean, it needs like fuzz cleaned, which is fine. I can do that. So that's a good one. I got 2 pairs of Toms. Probably sell these for $15 each. So, or Bumble, whatever. I don't know I don't know the size. So, oh, found it. 7.5s. Let's see this one. This one doesn't have any size tags, but I'm assuming, considering they are the same, they're both 7.5s. Yep, definitely both 7.5s. So, probably just throw them up for about 15 bucks. They were easy to photograph, easy to sell. So, easy to ship. Those are easy enough. And the bras, I really hate photographing bras. So, and there's also some like strings missing. They seem in good shape, just not worth my time. So, donate. I am probably gonna, oh wait, hold on. Maybe this one does have like a little, nope, definitely broken, so donate. And this I think I'm gonna bundle on eBay. Oops, sorry. Bundle on eBay. See if I can make 10 bucks off of it. Maybe, not even. For shipping. These, they're very unique, but there is beads and stuff missing. So I think I will donate these. And the bedding I'm probably going to donate too, because I don't want to photograph bedding. And yeah, so overall I got 3 things out of it. And that's not bad for being free, right? It took me like 5 minutes to go pick up. So it literally, I think, was exactly 7 minutes away from the storage unit. So no big deal to me, but everything will get donated to, there's a Salvation Army that's down the road for me, or I can post it online, see if anybody needs anything, maybe. I might keep this one, give it to my aunt. See, I don't know. Anyway, that was fun. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, do all those fun things. Blah, blah, blah. Bye.